Hello children, how are you all? A hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Classes. Class 8 Subject Hindi Lesson 10 Topic Topi Wala. See children, this is a story about a cap seller. Okay, we'll move on to the story. एक गांव में एक दर्जी था, उसका नाम गोपाल था. There was a tailor in a village and his name was Gopal. वह टोपियाँ बेचता था. He used to sell caps. उनको गांव-गांव ले जाकर बेचा करता था. He used to sell the caps from one village to another. इसलिए लोग उसे टोपी वाला कहते थे. So people used to call him टोपी वाला. टोपी वाला means cap seller. So children, he was a tailor and he used to sell the caps. He will stitch the caps and he used to sell the caps from one village to another village, and so the people used to call him a cap seller. Okay. एक दिन गोपाल एक बड़े थैले में टोपियां भरकर बेचने निकला. One day Gopal filled his basket with caps and went out to sell the caps. एक दो गांव में जाकर कुछ टोपियां बेची. He sold some caps in one or two villages and then he started moving forward to next village. तब तक दोपहर का समय हो चुका था. But by the time it was afternoon. So in the afternoon, how you will feel children? It will be very hot sunny day, so you will be feeling more tired, right? And this cap seller, he was busy selling the caps from the morning from one village to another. He was walking from one village to another, and now he was going to move on to the third village. So now by the time he was very tired. Okay. बेचारा टोपी वाला सुबह से घूम घूम कर काफ़ी थक गया था. Poor cap seller. He was very tired as he was roaming from one place to another from the morning. He was not staying at one place, right children? He was moving from one place to another. So by the time it was afternoon, he was feeling very tired. उसे प्यास भी बहुत लगी थी. He was feeling very thirsty also. It is afternoon, it is a sunny day as I told you. So he was feeling very thirsty also. रास्ते में एक बड़ा तालाब मिला. On the way he saw a big river. तालाब का पानी साफ और मीठा था. While seeing only, he could understand that the water in the river is very clear and sweet. उस तालाब के किनारे एक बड़ा पेड़ भी था. By the side of the river there was a big tree. Okay, by the side of the river there was a big tree. टोपी वाले ने पेड़ के नीचे टोपियों का थैला रखा. I told you there was a big tree. So what the cap seller did, he kept his basket, the basket filled with caps, he kept under the tree. इसके बाद वह पानी पीने के लिए तालाब गया. And after that he went to drink water from that river. As he was feeling very thirsty, he went to drink water from that river. हाथ मुंह धोया और पानी पीकर प्यास बुझाई. He washed his hands and face and he drank some water from that river. फिर पेड़ के नीचे आकर बैठ गया. Then he came and sat under the tree. Okay, after drinking the water he came and sat under the tree. थोड़ी देर आराम करना चाहा. Now as he was very tired, he wanted to take rest for some time. जहाँ उसने टोपियों का थैला रखा था वहाँ सोने लगा. The place where he kept the basket of caps. Do you know where he kept the basket of caps? Yes, under the tree. In the same places, he just lie down to sleep. थोड़ी देर में उसे नींद आ गई. So within some time, as he was tired, he fell asleep. Okay, he fell asleep very soon. 1 घंटे के बाद वह जाग उठा. He woke up after 1 hour. When he woke up after 1 hour. तब तक देखता है कि उसके थैले में रखी टोपियां गायब है. And to his surprise, what he see? That there was not even one cap in his basket. All the caps from his baskets were missing. बेचारा घबरा गया. Now he was very afraid where his caps went. He has stitched that caps for such a long time, right children? So now he was afraid where his caps went. वह रोने लगा और इधर उधर देखने लगा. He started crying and looking after the cap here and there. He was searching the caps here and there. इतने में ऊपर से कुछ आवाज़ सुनाई देने लगी. Suddenly he heard some sounds upwards from the tree. There was a tree. No, he was lying under the tree. So now when he was searching for the caps, he heard some noise from the tree. टोपी वाले ने ऊपर देखा तो उसे टोपियों का पता लग गया. When the cap seller saw up onto the tree, he came to know about his caps. उस पेड़ पर कई बंदर बैठे थे. There were many monkeys sitting up on that tree. जब टोपी वाला गहरी नींद में था तब बंदर उसकी टोपियों को उठाकर ले गए थे. When the cap seller was fast asleep, these monkeys only took all his caps. He was lying down and sleeping. He couldn't know that. So when he was sleeping, the monkeys came down and took all his caps. टोपी वाले ने खुद एक टोपी पहनी थी. The cap seller was wearing one cap on his own. उसे देखकर बंदरों ने भी एक एक टोपी पहन ली थी. And by seeing this only, all the monkeys took one cap and they also wore on their head. Because the cap seller was wearing one cap, the monkeys also, each of the monkey, it took one cap and wore on their head. टोपी वाला सोचने लगा, अब कैसे इन बंदरों से टोपियाँ वसूल की जाए. Now the cap seller started thinking that how can I get back my caps. वह उन पर पत्थर फेंकने लगा. इससे बंदर भी बिगड़ उठे. He started throwing stones upon the monkeys, to which the monkeys got very very angry. If you will throw stones on the animals, they get more angry, right children? So the cap seller first he threw some stones onto the monkeys, because of which the monkeys got very angry. वे टोपी वाले को घूर घूर कर देखने लगे और घुर्राने भी लगे. They started staring at the cap seller and making harsh sounds also. Now the monkeys all got so angry that they started staring at the cap seller and making harsh voice to make him afraid. Okay children. बंदरों का नटखटपन देखकर उसने आग बबूला होकर कहा, अरे बंदर के बच्चे, मेरी टोपियाँ नीचे डालो, मेरी टोपियाँ नीचे डालो कहकर चिल्लाने लगा. Seeing to this of monkeys, the cap seller he got more angry and he started shouting to the monkeys, asking them to throw his caps down. If you'll shout on to the monkeys and ask them to do something, will they do children? No. So इससे कोई लाभ नहीं हुआ. Everything was in vain. The monkeys didn't throw the caps down. If you'll be angry and if you'll ask them whether they will throw the caps down, no. So this was all what happened with cap seller. They didn't throw the caps down. अब टोपी वाले को एक युक्ति सूझी. Now the cap seller got an idea. तुरंत उसने अपनी पहनी हुई टोपी को उतारकर नीचे डाला. Suddenly he remembered that seeing his cap on his head, only the monkeys took all the caps from the basket and wore. Right, children? So he got an idea. He removed his cap from his head and threw it down. इस प्रकार वह बार बार करने लगा. He did this again and again. तब बंदर भी एक एक करके टोपी उतारकर नीचे फेंकने लगे. And when the cap seller threw the caps down, now the monkeys also started throwing the caps down one by one. Because what we will do, the monkeys will try to imitate us. So he got a very good idea. Seeing his caps only, the monkeys took all his caps, no? So he threw his cap down. And he thought that the monkeys also will throw their caps down, and that is what only happened over there. The monkeys also started throwing the caps down one by one. इससे टोपी वाला खुश हुआ. Seeing to this, the cap seller was very happy. उसने नीचे पड़ी टोपियों को बटोर कर थैले में भर दिया. He collected all the caps from the ground and he filled all the caps in his basket. फिर जल्दी वहाँ से चला गया. And he ran off from there as fast as he could. He didn't want to wait more to ask the monkeys or to find the monkeys what they are doing. He just ran off from that place so that the monkeys won't take his cap again. Okay, children, I hope this is a very nice story and you all enjoyed the story. Now here the meanings are given for you. Go through the meanings, children, and for question answers we'll meet in the next session. Thank you, children.